Hey, what's up, guys? This is an app called MediChat. So I've made it. I'm showing multi apps today. Okay, so we are starting from screen two. Yeah, this is a label. This is a button. This is a label. This is a text input. This is a label. This is a text input. Okay, so yeah, this is a column that green hole. Okay, after that this label is acting like a button. This is a button. Then this is displaying this thing, this input what we have to write, and this is displaying this thing. Now we will move to screen 3. The invite option, we can send invite to anyone, okay, by Gmail. Now in this, there is a home button that will be taking us again to screen 2. This is a list view of where it will be showing all the chat. This is the send button to send the chat or the text that you are typing in this here. It will display here for everyone. And in screen 2, I just forgot. The patient ID, like if it is 15 and the other person is 15, so this app will like join the both of them. They will be in the same group, like in WhatsApp. And this is for the name. Now we'll go to block. No. First, yeah, I'll show you the blocks first. After blocks, we'll see the Firebase. Now in this, when button one click, this is the send the this chat button. Yeah, it have to check all the IDs like text input 2 and text input 1. Those are the patient room ID and patient name. And if it is equal to 0, then it will tell that patient room ID is required. That okay. After that, it is making variables. After that, if it is all okay in here, it will navigate to screen. 1 minute, this has come out. It will no, it will navigate to screen 3. After that, it will be going to the send message one. It has been recently added, okay, because this is the most upgraded advanced app I've really made on my own. So this one part will be same and this one will be new. There's a share and real-time database that is invisible design. That is invisible blocks in design. You can find it in 1 minute. Here, add components. Mein. After that, in share you will take share messages, and then you will take a join block in messages and type all this. I've written thank you, stay safe, because this is like a hospital for hospitals. Okay. Now I've recently known that we can actually take the same variables that were in screen too. Whoa, mine are exploding. Okay, so real-time database data changed. You have to take it and put it. All these you have to add in those, and then initialize app variable. That is that one only. No, it is a new one. Sorry, it is a new one. We have to take an empty list from the viewer. After that, screen three starts, we have to take it from control. For real-time database, add listener, that is the, I think it is, yeah, in real time database there is add listener one. The key should be app variable room ID. It is the joining merge the both people. And yeah, there's a label, invisible label at side of the button, I think. Yeah, we can't see that because I've deleted every string, that's why. And then it will show the app variable room ID. Then when button to click, that is the home button, it will navigate to screen 2. Okay, so that's it. I'll just live test and show you the, not the invite one, but all those. 1 minute. Whoa, somebody is in my server, I think. Yeah. Patient ID and put it as 15 and name as Praveen. Let's chat. So when I send hello, it will show like this. So it's like this. Now, okay. So it's like this. Okay, so you understand that how to do it. So 1 minute. Oh yeah, 1 minute. You have to put it as app variable name. Yeah, there must be a teeny weeny mistake. Okay, 1 minute. 1 5. That's why I was thinking why it was coming like I think someone hacked in my server. And sometimes it might glitch. Okay. Yeah, it might glitch. It might glitch. No. Oh, sorry for that. Now I'll open that again 1 minute. Yeah, sorry for that because my mouse was like boom and I clicked by mistakenly. So yeah, I forgot to show you the database. So this is the database. Okay, this is the real time database. 1 minute. Yeah, so it will be showing all the things that it is going on, like what people have sent it, who has sent it, like that. Okay, so now this is, you know how to connect it, right? If you don't know, I'll show you. See, you have to go to project overview, and in that you have to copy the API key and the database URL and copy paste in 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, it's opening up. It's opening up. Yeah, we have to send in MediChat. You have to, yeah. In this, there will be a setting button, app settings. You have to copy paste in, yeah, in Firebase settings, one here and one here. Okay. Yeah. Now the second app. This will be the E12. Do you know Zomato? If you know, like in Zomato only, but they have to, the shop people have to design one page. So it will be like they will be telling their emails, email link and the password. Don't worry, in the password we can't see their our password. It will be showing in dots. And yeah, it is no way they can hack because this is a very secure app. Now if you have not logged in, you have not like created an account, you have to sign up. After that it will be sharing a link, like in your Gmail there will be a link. Then you have to log in after that, and then it will be showing the screen too. Okay, it's really easy. Okay, blogs, yeah, the blogs, yeah, easy. So yeah, like this it will be happening. This is the code blocks. You have to add a real-time database and sign in option. In the design add component, there would be an invisible, it would be an invisible block. Okay, now in screen 2, okay, in screen 2 there is no program, it is just this much programming. Yeah, I think I should show you one more app. 1 minute, let me see if I can have one more app. This chat app is also same like this. Yeah. Yeah, and there was Mother's Day, I think last week. So I'll show you this one. Yeah, this one. I have made an app by my own. So in this, you have to tell your mother one password. Then she will set the, if that would be the correct password, she will be it will be teleporting, means switching the screen to screen two. Okay. In this, there is a background picture. Then happy Mother's Day. Click me for a quiz. If I click this, it will be taking me to a website. Then this would be like a video here going on. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell and leave a like below and share this all this because it is really good. Okay, yeah. So bye bye for now. Stay cool until next time.